So I think I'll just clarify a little bit about what domain name is and what web hosting is, because when I first started off making a website, I had no idea what the difference was. And basically, a domain name is actually your www.nameofyourwebsite.com or .org or .net or whatever you want to call it. So you can either get that name from a company that specializes in selling names, or you can get it from a company that allows you to do web hosting. So I use a website called Namecheap to actually buy my website names. And basically, you can go in there and you can search for a name that you want. Say you wanted to make a website for teaching guitar classes in Singapore. So I could search for something like Guitar Class Singapore. And I could check with this domain name host if that website is available, and they'll tell me guitarclasssingapore.com is available and it can be bought. So in the event that your website is not available, sometimes they'll give you other options of what else is available. I highly recommend sticking to a .com rather than trying something more experimental like .xyz or .app. Now, I believe a lot of domain companies also offer an option for hosting. And hosting just means you can build a website through them. Now, there are companies that specialize in website hosting, and the one that I use and the one that we're going to talk about in this course mostly is Wix. And Wix is a wonderful website hosting platform because it's super easy to use and the design is clean and slick. Now, a lot of website hosting companies also offer the option for you to buy a domain from within them. And that can just simplify the process of having everything done in one place. So for me personally, I buy the domain from Namecheap and I get the hosting from Wix. So domain hosting has a price and website hosting has a price, and they're both annual fees. And we'll talk in detail about the different types of prices you will see in future lessons.